How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video I have a iPhone 7 Plus. Let's talk about the iPhone 7 Plus. Should you buy the iPhone 7 Plus right now? We know that the iPhone 13 is coming after a month, so I know some people, they still have all the iPhones, and I'm excited to make this video for you. My current iPhone is my current Pixel phone is Pixel 2 XL. This is a 6-inch Pixel, which I have here, and I love it. Still use it in these days, but I put my main SIM card to test this iPhone 7 Plus. I want to show you this phone because I know some people still using this iPhone in these days, even older iPhones. Let me know in the comments down below which iPhone you're using right now currently. I purchased this iPhone for very affordable price. I purchased this iPhone for £100 here in UK. This phone actually sells for 140, £150. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the iPhone 7 or 6s Plus, because I know people still using 6s Plus, because the reason for that is long software updates. And believe it or not, this phone is being released in 2016 and still runs the latest version of iOS. Let me show you. We'll talk about the battery just in a second, but this phone runs the latest version of the iOS. I don't know if you can see, this runs the 14.4.1, but this is not the latest version. The latest version is 14.7.1. I purchased this phone, it was on this software update, and the reason for that I didn't upgrade it to latest version is because I just want to see if this is going to be stable. So if you go to software updates, and you'll see that I have a update 14.7.1. So let me know in the comments down below, do you upgrade it to the latest version? Do you have any problems? Currently I don't have any issues with this update. I will wait for a couple of days, weeks. I will make a video, and if I find anything wrong with this phone, I will update. But currently the iOS works completely fine. Actually, I'm very surprised that this works smoothly. We know the Apple system, the Apple system is fantastic, and it flawlessly works great. Even 5 years, nearly 5 years, iPhone works completely fine. So I will not update at the moment. I'm gonna wait for a couple of days, but let me know in the comments down below if you're running the 14.7.1 on your iPhone 7 Plus or even 6s Plus. So yeah, I love it. Make sure to subscribe. I have a really nice, good surprise for you. I bought a couple of accessories for this iPhone 7 Plus, and I will show you for the next video. And the reason being is, obviously, this is the jet black version, and as you can see, it's awful in terms of fingerprints, scratch, and I bought some really nice accessories. So make sure to turn your bell notification, subscribe for the next video. I'll show you what you can do with this iPhone 7 Plus. And let's talk about the battery. So like I mentioned, this phone is not new. I bought it yesterday, and the battery on this phone actually is not bad, as you can see. So 84%. I don't know if this battery's been replaced before, but the battery should work fine. I know this iPhone comes with 2900 milliamp hour battery, and believe it or not, the battery is gonna be okay. If the battery goes below 80%, definitely you should replace it, in my opinion. But at the moment the battery is okay. I do like the widgets. I know iOS 14 brings really nice, cool features, widgets. As you can see here, the battery is on 63%, which this is great. I live in UK, so and yeah, iOS 14 is being great so far with all the iPhones. The only problem is the battery. Many people was complaining that they have a drain batteries, and this phone works fine. I know it's too early to say, but I just playing with this phone yesterday. I installed all my applications, and this works great. No complaints whatsoever. Doesn't run the latest iOS, but still works fine. And let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Which iPhone you're running right now? Do you run the iPhone 6s Plus or even older? Or do you have the iPhone 8 or 8 Plus? Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe and turn your bell notifications for future iPhone updates of older iPhones. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I really appreciate, guys, if you like this video, just boost the algorithm and many people see this video. If you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments down below. I'm gonna look your comments and I'm gonna try to reply to everyone. As always, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.